We are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say those two words? They are spelled almost the same, but they have very different meanings. The top word designates the confidence, enthusiasm and discipline of a person and is said as morale, morale, stress on the second ral syllable, morale. The bottom word concerns the whatever regards the right or wrong in the world, and that's said as moral, moral, stress on the first syllable. So bottom word is moral, top word is morale. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting but often confusing words in English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.